questions we get is, how does the noise filter work if I purchase a noise filter? So the noise filter comes with 3 wires. You can see you got the red, the black, and the blue. The blue is the clean hot. So what this does, this blue wire will go to the red wire of the radio and the red wire of the intercom. So both red wires will tie into this blue wire from the radio and the intercom. This red wire will go to your battery or your power source, power block, or however you power the entire comm. And then all of the blacks get tied together. The black are the grounds. So the ground to the battery, the ground to the intercom, the ground to the radio, all get tied into this ground together. And I'll show you just a quick demonstration. So here's my crude model showing how you wire the do-it-yourself kit together. If this represents coming from your battery or your power source, like your power block, you got the red wire, the hot, and then you got the ground. So we're going to trace the ground first. So the ground wire of the battery or your power source comes in to a common either wire nut or connector, or however you got all these tied together. This is a Wago nut, so I've just got everything tied to this Wago. And so the ground's coming in, the noise filter ground's coming in, the radio ground's coming in, and the intercom ground's coming in. So you tie all the grounds together. Now we're going to trace the power. So your power comes in from the battery into this Wago connector that's actually can just be tied with like a wire nut or a butt connector would probably be the best. And then it goes into the noise filter, gets filtered out, and what comes out the blue wire, which we call the clean blue. So the blue wire is a clean power, and it gets tied into this Wago connector or wire nut, and you tie all these up together. So this is the intercom red wire, and this is the radio red wire. So it powers both the intercom and the radio. So the radio and the intercom gets tied to the blue, all the grounds get tied together, and the red from the noise filter gets tied to your power source or your battery power.